Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the makeup look that you can see on my face. This look was inspired by this beautiful denim blue color from my PAC Cosmetics Z palette. In this palette, I have mixture of some PAC single shades as well as some Inglot on top. So yes, if you'd like to know how I did this look, then please continue watching. I am as usual starting off with the moisturizer. It is really important to moisturize and hydrate your skin before you apply makeup. It also helps to keep your makeup stay longer, especially if you have dry skin. Actually, I have used emollient to moisturize my skin. I am using the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream to hydrate my lips. For primer, I am using the Miss Clear Studio Perfect Primer and applying that on the center of my face. For foundation, I am using the Nykaa Skin Genius Stick Foundation and blending that using my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. And later using a sponge to soften everything up. For concealer, more like a corrector, I am using the NYX HD Concealer in the shade Tan, which is about 1 to 2 shades darker than my foundation shade. I am using that to hide that darkness around my eyes. And then to brighten up, I am using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny and applying that on the center of my face and blending that using my sponge. To set my face, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Moving on, for eyebrows, I am using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Pencil in the shade Cherry Brown. Then I am using the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara to set my brows in place. Moving on to the eyes, I am going to use a couple of different eyeshadow palettes. First one is my Z palette and the shade I am taking is the PAC Matte Eyeshadow in the shade 33 and applying that all over my crease as my first transition. Taking the same color on my lower lash line as well. Then for my other palette, I am using the Revelation Pro X Nath palette and taking the shade Blend and applying that in the outer corner of my eyes. Then taking the shade Espresso, again putting that in the outer corner of the eyes to deepen up my crease. And in between, I am blending the colors really well. Then taking the shade Sand, that cream shade from the Revolution Pro palette, and using that to clean up my brow bone. Then I'm going back to my Z palette and taking that beautiful denim blue shade and applying that all over my lid. And I'm using a dampened brush to apply the color. And again blending the edges. I am again using the shade Espresso from the Revolution Pro palette and deepening up my outer corner. For my lower lash line, I am only applying the shade Espresso. Then it's time for mascara. Using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And then I'm also applying some falsies. These are by PAC Pro in number 04. I am now taking the shade Classy and highlighting my inner corners of the eyes. Moving back to the face, I am using the Nykaa contour palette to contour my face. For blush, I am using the NYX HD blush in Amber. For highlighter, I am taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold, one of my very favorite highlighters at the moment. And lastly for lips, I am using one of my favorite nude lipstick, that is the Nykaa liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kaapi. I really hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.